So how much uninsured motorist coverage should you get? Well, I always encourage you to get as much as you legally can get. I don't think you can have enough. Frankly, there's too many drivers in Florida who don't have any insurance, don't have any bodily injury coverage, or even if they do, they have such silly low limits that you're not going to be protected at all if they cause a crash with you. So I encourage you to purchase whatever the highest amount of uninsured motorist coverage your insurance company will allow you. Now, keep in mind, almost every car insurance company will limit the amount of uninsured motorist coverage you can purchase to whatever the limits of bodily injury coverage you purchase. So if on your policy you've purchased $300,000 in bodily injury coverage to protect you from claims from someone else in the event you cause a crash, then that's almost always going to be the maximum amount of uninsured motorist coverage you can purchase. I've never known of a car insurance company that would let you buy 100, 300 in bodily injury coverage and then turn around and buy 300, 500 in uninsured motorist coverage. Now, one technique you can employ to increase the amount of uninsured motorist coverage that you purchase without having to pay a lot more is to do what's called stacking. So if you have multiple vehicles in your household, you can purchase stacking. So for example, if you purchase $100,000, $300,000 in uninsured motorist vehicle coverage, typically what that means is that if you get in a crash, someone doesn't have coverage, the maximum amount that you could ever get would be $100,000. But if you have a car full of people, the maximum amount your insurance company would have to pay out amongst all those claims for people in your car would be $300,000. But if you have stacking, so let's say that you have 3 vehicles in your house, then the benefits would be multiplied by the number of vehicles. So in that instance, if you have 100, 300 and you get in a crash caused by someone who doesn't have coverage, then that normally that $100,000 that would be available to you gets multiplied by 3. Now you have $300,000 available to you. So pretty easy way to increase the coverage on your policy, and it usually doesn't cost that much more. I do think it's a smart idea for everyone to get underinsured, uninsured motorist coverage. If you have questions, call us at 1-800-TRIAL-PRO or chat with us through our website at trialpro.com.